How to log into your Mastercard account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Mastercard, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log into Mastercard, all you have to do is come to this official URL, which is customerportal.mastercard.com/login and /some other letters. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below, so when you directly go to that link and then come to this website, you're going to land on this page where it says you just sign in. So all you have to do is sign in with your Mastercard username. So just make sure to enter your sign in name as well as the password, and after you've done that, if you want the browser to remember you can just turn on this and you can just click the sign in button in order to sign in successfully. If you happen to forgot your username or password, you can click the reset here option in order to reset them as well. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this way you can go ahead and then sign into your Mastercard account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.